You got the promotion, you got the raise, you're making more money than you were 5 years ago. And yet, the stress is the same. The bank account looks familiar. Somehow, no matter how much more you earn, there's never quite enough left at the end of the month. That's not a coincidence. That's the paycheck illusion. What I'm about to tell you might challenge everything you've been taught about work, money, and success. Because here's the truth they don't want you to know. Your salary was never designed to make you wealthy. It was designed to keep you predictable, dependent, and just comfortable enough to never leave. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how the system works, how it's keeping you trapped, and most importantly, how you can start breaking free. The illusion of more. Let's start with the most basic mechanism, lifestyle inflation. When you get a raise, what happens? You celebrate. Maybe you upgrade your apartment. You get a nicer car. You start eating out more. You justify it. I deserve this. I worked hard. Psychologists call this the hedonic treadmill. You adapt. Your new normal becomes whatever you have now. So that raise doesn't feel like progress anymore. You need the next raise just to feel like you're standing still. And here's the kicker. The system is built for this. Banks offer you higher credit limits. Car dealers offer you bigger loans. Advertisers target your new income level. Everyone around you is subtly encouraging you to spend exactly what you earn. The result? Your expenses permanently chase your income. You're running faster, but you're staying in the same place. That's the first layer of the trap. Job security, the golden handcuffs. Now let's talk about something we're taught to value above almost everything, job security. You've been told that finding a stable job with a good salary is the ultimate goal. That's what your parents wanted for you. That's what society tells you is responsible. But here's what job security actually means in the system. Predictability. Your employer knows exactly what you cost. They know what you earn. They know you'll show up every day because you need that paycheck to cover the lifestyle you've built. That makes you predictable. And predictable people are manageable people. You become dependent on that single stream of income. One layoff, one health issue, one company downturn, and everything you've built is at risk. The security was an illusion. What you actually had was a fragile, single point of failure disguised as safety. Meanwhile, the people who actually build wealth, they don't trade time for money in a single job. They own assets. They have multiple income streams. They're not predictable. They're free. This video is sponsored by JoBop, a powerful way to earn consistent and residual income. If you're creating content, building a brand, or even just getting started online, monetization can feel overwhelming. That's where JoBop comes in. Their affiliate program connects you with a high-converting offer you can share with your audience and earn commissions for every successful referral. What I love about it is how simple it is. You sign up, get your custom tracking links, and start promoting a real product everyone needs. No complicated tech, just a straightforward system designed to help you earn while providing real value. Whether you're on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or running a blog, this is a practical way to build an additional income stream. And the best part, you're not selling something random. You're promoting a product that everyone needs and can genuinely help people. If you've been looking for a smart way to diversify your income, this could be your move. Click the link in the description to learn more and get started. Now let's get back to the video. The debt loop, why you can't get ahead. So you're earning more, spending more, and feeling the pressure. Then something comes up. Car repair, medical bill, a can't miss vacation. What do? You reach for credit. This is where the system really tightens its grip. Because when you use credit to cover the gap between your income and your lifestyle, you're not just spending future money, you're paying interest on it. And interest compounds against you. A $5,000 credit card balance at 20% interest costs you $1,000 a year just to carry. That's money you could have invested. That's money that could have grown. Instead, it's flowing to the bank. It's keeping you exactly where you are. Debt doesn't just cost you money, it costs you time. Every dollar that goes to interest is a dollar that's not buying your freedom. And the longer you stay in this loop, the harder it is to see a way out. Breaking free, how to attack the gap. Now for the part they don't want you to know. Breaking free is simpler than you think. Not easy, but simple. Here's the framework. Step 1, freeze lifestyle creep. Your next raise? Pretend it didn't happen. Redirect the entire amount into savings or investments before you ever see it in your checking account. If you never adjust your lifestyle, your expenses can't chase your income. Step 2, attack the income to expense gap. Track your core expenses. Identify one category you can reduce. Not forever, just enough to create breathing room. Use that breathing room to pay down high interest debt. Every dollar of interest you stop paying is a dollar you keep. Step 3. Build a second stream. This is where job op comes in, or freelancing, or a side project. The goal isn't to work more, it's to diversify. When your income comes from more than one source, you're no longer predictable. You're no longer dependent. You're in control. Step 4. Redirect into assets. Once the debt is gone and you have a second stream, start buying things that pay you. Dividend stocks, a simple digital product, a small rental property if that's your path. These are assets. They work while you sleep. They don't care about your salary. The choice is yours. Let me leave you with this. The system is designed to keep you predictable. Your salary, your expenses, your debt, it's all engineered to keep you in the loop. Not because anyone is out to get you personally, but because the system runs on people showing up, working, spending, and never asking too many questions. But here's the thing, you can opt out. Not by quitting your job tomorrow, not by doing something reckless, but by simply refusing to play the game the way they expect you to. When you stop letting your expenses chase your income, you create space. When you diversify your income, you create options. When you redirect money into assets, you build something that compounds in your favor instead of against you. You've worked too long, for too many years, to still feel like you're running in place. You deserve more than just another paycheck that disappears before the month is over. The paycheck illusion ends the moment you decide to see through it. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe. I make content for people who are done playing by someone else's rules. And check the description for the JobOp link if you're ready to start building that second income stream. Now go take back control. Your future self is waiting.